Unit 5, Test B. Make sure you put your name and hour at the top, and if you need more time in between reading, just pause. The first section is matching. Match the term on the right with the definitions on the left. Place the letter of the definition in the blank provided. Each question is worth 1 point. So I'm going to go ahead and read through the definition or the words. Secede, segregated, Sterling Price, James Lane, William C. Cantrill. Once you select an answer, cross it off. All right, number 1. The Confederate guerrilla general who raided Lawrence in 1863. Number 2. To withdraw or separate from someone or something. If you need more time, just pause. Number 3. To separate people by race. Number 4. The Confederate general who was defeated in the Battle of Mine Creek. And number 5. The Kansas senator who organized the Frontier Guard. Okay, we're going to keep going on. Number 6, these words you're going to use Santanta, veto, railroad, inalienable, and amend. Again, once you use one, cross it off. All right, number 6, the Kiowa chief who spoke for his people at Medicine Lodge. Number 7, cannot be taken away. Number 8, to reject a bill from becoming law. Number 9, brought an end to frontier life in Kansas. And number 10, to change or add something to a government document. All right, the next section is a chart. Place the number of the words or phrases in the correct box in the chart. Each word or phrase is worth 1 point. So your chart boxes are legislative branch, executive branch, and judicial branch. I'm going to read through the choices. If you notice, this one has 5, this one has 4, and this one has 3. So you're going to decide, does make our laws go in the legislative branch box, or executive branch, or judicial branch? And then you would write the number 1 in the box it goes with. Again, I'm just going to read through them and then you can pause and do this chart. Number 1, makes our laws. Number 2, state senators. Number 3, governor. Number 4, interprets our laws. Number 5, Supreme Court. Number 6, enforces our laws. Number 7, a 4-year term with a 2-term total. Number 8, House of Representatives. Number 9, 7 justices. Number 10, 2 and 4-year terms. Number 11, Lieutenant Governor. And number 12 has 165 members, 40 plus 125. Go ahead and pause and fill out your chart. This third section is fill in the blank. Using the word bank provided, fill in the blanks with the term that best fits each statement. Some terms will not be used. Let me repeat that. Some terms will not be used. Each question is worth 1 point. Here are your words for the fill in the blank. Amended, veto, U.S. Constitution, seceded, Frontier Guard, Buffalo Soldiers. Number 11. Only the governor has the power to blank a bill so that it does not become law. Again, if you need more time, just pause. Number 12, the Constitution can be blank or changed as the needs of the state change. Number 13, the Civil War began when Southern states decided to blank or withdraw from the Union. Number 14, the blank was the name given to 100 Kansas men who protected President Lincoln and the White House with James Lane at the beginning of the Civil War. Number 15, the 9th and the 10th Cavalries were made up of African American soldiers who were known as blank. And number 16, the Wyandotte Constitution was modeled after the blank. Go ahead and pause if you need more time, otherwise turn the page. This last section is going to be fill in the blank. Let me go ahead and read this. Make a list for each question. List the number of responses required on the blanks provided. Each blank is worth 1 point. So I need you to list a number 17. List 3 causes of the Civil War. Go ahead and pause and write. Number 18. List 2 reasons Kansas has such a difficult start in statehood. Go ahead and pause and write. Number 19. List 2 ways the Wyandotte Constitution was similar to the U.S. Constitution. Go ahead and pause and write. Number 20. List 2 purposes for the frontier forts in Kansas before, during, and after the Civil War. Go ahead and pause. And number 21. List 1 cause for increased tension between American Indians and the U.S. government with regards to Kansas. Go ahead and pause and write. All right, so now the last portion down at the bottom is your essay. Instead of actually writing out an essay, she would like you to circle the correct answer for each question. So here we go. Number 22, who was the Frontier Guard and why were they a critically important group at the start of the Civil War? So each one of these needs to have something circled in the line. So for instance, the first one, who was the leader? Was it James Lane, Abraham Lincoln, or William Cantrell? And you would circle the answer. The next one, what was his position? Was he president, Kansas senator, or a judge? Again, the question is, who was the Frontier Guard and why were they a critically important group at the start of the Civil War? The first question was the leader. The next question, what was his position? And now we are at when were they formed? Beginning of the Civil War, beginning of Bleeding Kansas, or the end of the Civil War? Next one, where were they formed? Kansas, Washington, D.C., or New York? Next, why were they formed? To protect Lincoln, to kill John Brown, to destroy Fort Sumter. And the last question on this one, did they accomplish the task? Yes or no? Go ahead and pause and make sure you filled out each question under number 22. Number 23, describe the events of Cantrell's raid on Lawrence. We're going to do the same thing. Who was Cantrell? A Confederate guerrilla, a Union soldier, a Kansas senator? Again, if you need more time in between my reading, just pause. Next, who was with Cantrill? Who was with him? He worked alone, 400 men, or 20 men? When did this event happen? August 21st, 1863 at 5 a.m., August 21st, 1863 at 8 p.m., or July 4th, 1776 at noon. Where did it happen? Lawrence, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, or Washington, D.C.? How many people died? 5 men, 140 to 200 men and boys, or 600,000 people? And the last one, why did they do this? To weaken the Union? To weaken the Confederacy? They hated slavery. Make sure you've checked over your test, all your answers are complete, and turn it in.